Okay, so condensing, you actually want to go back to 7.5, or C, I guess, video C, which is where you'll find the three properties, the product, the quotient, and the power property. What we're looking for when we're condensing, we're moving through the properties, but we're moving from right to left. And what we're looking for is anything being added or subtracted. And then we're also looking for coefficients. Because remember, if you look at the power property, every exponent comes to the front and becomes a coefficient. So if we're moving the other direction, we want to look for coefficients. So if I've got 5 log x and 4 log y, the first thing I'm going to do is move these coefficients and make them exponents. So that's the first step. I have log of x to the 5th minus log of y to the 4th. Now I have subtraction. Subtraction tells me that's from the quotient property, which means if I wanted to rewrite this and condense it, I'm going to go the other direction and turn it into division. So I have log of x to the 5th over y to the 4th. Here, this one's really easy. It's just one step. I've only got plus. Addition, if you look back and you're moving from right to left, this goes back to the product property. So basically, I have the natural log of x times 3, which is 3x. Here's the last part of 7.5. It says use the change of base formula to evaluate each logarithm. So if we've got log base 4 of 7, well, normally if I had something like, I'll come down here, log base 4 of 16, well, I could tell you right off the top of my head that that's 2, because I know that 4 squared is 16. This is, I don't know an exponent. I know that 4 to the 1st is 4, and 4 to the 2nd is 16. So I know that this answer is somewhere between 1 and 2, but the only way that I can find this out is to use the change of base formula, which tells me to divide the log of 7 by the log of 4. So I'm going to come over here, log 7 divided by log 4. Oops, sorry, map shadow. And I get about 1.4. We can round that, 1.4. That's close enough. And finally, log base 9 of 6. I'll do the log of 6 divided by the log of 9. And I get about 0.82. There we go. 0.82 is close enough for me. And that's it for 7.5.